I am not a Democrat, I am a traditionalist. I am committed to serving the people of South Africa.
And I will do everything in my power to make their lives better.
Africans at large need to lead their continent.
The time for action is now. When the British came to our country, they said we were savages.
But they did not say we were stupid. The time for negotiations is over. We are not going to be dictated to by the West.
Even if you bleach your skin, you'll never be white if you black.
I am a humble servant of the people, and I will do everything in my power to serve them. We must not forget the sacrifices of our ancestors who fought for our freedom.
We must not be afraid to take tough decisions.
Now the enemy knows and fears us.
We must fight to the end.
I am not a leader who will shy away from challenges. We must not be afraid to confront our challenges head-on.
We need to work together to build a better South Africa for all.
We must not be afraid to dream big. We must not forget where we come from.
We must not allow the opposition to dictate the agenda of our country.
I am not a king. I am a servant of the people.